Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Cheryl, and I am your teacher in General Mathematics. Before anything else, let us start our day with a prayer. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Once again, good morning. Is everybody present? Very good. Everyone is present. Are you ready for our discussion today? Are you all set? Great. Everyone is set and ready for our discussion. Before we will start, I just want to remind every one of you to strictly follow the health protocols for us to be safe. And if you have some concerns, you can ask or approach the teachers. Am I clear? Good. To start with, here are the objectives of our lesson. Define simple and general annuities, differentiate simple and general annuities, and appreciate the importance of annuities. Let us have first a review about our topic yesterday. What was our topic yesterday? Yes, our topic yesterday was about simple and compound interest. So, who can define simple and compound interest? Very good. Simple interest, the interest is computed on the principal and then added onto it. While compound interest is the interest that is computed on the principal and also on the accumulated past interest. Do you have questions about our discussion yesterday? If none, let us proceed. Do you have any idea about our topic today? Our topic for today is about annuities. Have you heard about annuities? If you don't have any idea, let us watch this video.
Yan, ang picture na katokaan.
Good day everyone. So in this video lesson, we'll discuss about simple annuity. So pag sinabi natin annuity class, ito yung payment na hindi isahan lang, isang bagsakan lang ng pagbabayad. So ito yung tinatawag natin installment. Halimbawa, kumuha ka ng appliances, so ang pagbabayad mo is in different payment interval. Like for example, our payment interval period. So for example, halimbawa, kinuha mo, buwatan ka magbabayad. So ibig sabihin, monthly no, ang pagbabayad mo. Or pwede rin naman through back 4 beses sa isang taon. So you can pay it by quarterly. So, but ang focus natin ngayon is about simple annuity. Okay? So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng annuity.
Have you heard about annuities? Do you have any idea? Yes. Actually, we already applied the concept on annuities. It is just that we do not use the term annuities. Have you heard your parents saying, mupalit og motor, and then mubayad og binuwan for 3 years? That situation talks about annuities. For us to fully understand simple and general annuities, let us define the following terms. First, annuity. Annuity, a fixed sum of money paid to someone at regular intervals subject to a fixed compound interest rate. So, according sa video, ito ay yung hindi isahan o bagsakang pagbabayad. Ito ay installment basis. Examples, deposits to savings account or monthly housing. Next, simple annuity. The interest conversion or compounding period is equal or the same as the payment interval. Example, installment payment for an appliance at the end of each month with interest compounded monthly. In the given example, the compounding period is monthly and the payment interval is also monthly. So we could say that the compounding period is equal to the payment interval. So this is a simple annuity. Next, general annuity. The interest conversion or compounding period is unequal or not the same as the payment interval. Example: installment payment for an appliance at the end of each month with interest compounded annually. Here, the compounding period is annually and the payment interval is monthly. So, we could say that the compounding period is not the same with the payment interval. So, this is general annuity. Do you have questions or clarifications? If none, you try this. Example number 1. Payments are made at the end of each month for a loan that charges 1.05% interest compounded quarterly. What do you think is the answer? Yes, the answer is general annuity. Number 2. A deposit of 5,500 pesos was made at the end of every 3 months to an account that earns 5.6% interest compounded quarterly. So what do you think is this? Very good. The answer is simple annuity. Since you already know what is the difference between simple and general annuities, let us now proceed to abstraction. Who can give me an example of a simple annuity? Monthly installment payment of a car with an interest rate that is compounded monthly. Very good. Your example is correct. Question number 2. Who can give me an example of general annuity? Yes? Okay, what is your answer? Monthly installment payment of a car with an interest rate that is compounded quarterly. Okay, that is correct. Question number 3. What is the difference between simple and general annuities? What is your idea? Okay, you are correct. In simple annuity, the interest conversion or compounding period is equal or the same as the payment interval. While in general annuity, the interest conversion or compounding period is unequal or not the same as the payment interval. Last question. Do you think that the annuities is important in our life? Why? What is your answer? Okay, good. Yes, it is important. Annuities is important in our life because it helps us to decide to get a better offer in our personal life, such as housing loans, car mortgages payments, and many others. Since you already know the definition, the differences, and the importance of annuities, I think you are now ready for your application. Now, instruction number 1, you are going to determine whether the following illustrates a simple annuity or general annuity. So you have here items 1 to 4. And then for test 2, you are going to cite at least one situation where your parents apply annuities. Are you done? Okay, very good. Since you are done, who got perfect? Okay, so everyone got perfect. I think you are now ready for your assessment. Okay, you have here, you're going to read the questions and then encircle the letter of the correct answer. You have 10 minutes to answer that one. Start. Are you done? Okay, so you are all done. So can you put your answer in the designated boxes? Since you are all done, we have here assignment. Study the following in advance. What is the formula in finding the present value of a simple annuity and general annuity? Number 2, present one problem of a simple and general annuity with solution. That would be all. And remember, the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. That would be all. Thank you.